Welcome to Sentruck Machinery Company Limited. There are several reasons why some suppliers' dump truck prices are very high and some suppliers' dump truck prices are very low. The high or low price of a vehicle cannot only be based on the appearance of the delivered vehicle. The appearance is brand new, which has no effect on the performance of the vehicle. A really good second-hand vehicle with high cost performance depends on the following points. First, the environment and the road conditions of the vehicle during use. The condition of the vehicle and the earth moving and the manual transportation is completely different. Second, the daily maintenance of the vehicle during use also greatly helps the performance of the vehicle, life of the vehicle. Third, the number of kilometers of the vehicle also determines the overall wear and tear of the vehicle. Fourth, when choosing a vehicle with high cost performance, we mustn't neglect the maintenance of the three major parts: engine, gearbox, and rear axle. Fifth, the vehicle we selected has no accident during use. Vehicles with accident have been painted to look like a brand new one. We have a great potentially safety hazard during use. Sixth, each of our vehicles must be strictly inspected and tested before delivery, and the important parts there is no scratches on the frame and the overall frame are intact. The cab is guaranteed to be free of any damage. All lamps and circuits have been strictly inspected to ensure safety and reliability during use. Seriously worn brake pads and clutch pads will be replaced with new ones to guarantee the safety factor during use. The air conditioner ensures normal use and the driving is safe and comfortable. We believe that when buying a good vehicle, you cannot just look at the price. In order to buy a cost-effective and reliable used dump truck. In addition to the above points, the following points are also very important. The material of the tire directly determines the service life of the tire. For example, retreated tires and topped tires look like new but will burst in the heat and empty and cannot be used at all. The tires we choose for you are guaranteed, ensuring that they can be used for a long time and heavy loads. It's important that the trucks carry box of cargo. The material of the box steel plate and the thickness of the box steel plate directly determine the service life of the box. The thickness of the steel plate of the box we provide is at least 10 mm at the bottom and 8 mm at the sides, which ensures that it cannot be used normally under different working conditions. Each vehicle's box lift hydraulic jack has been tested many times without any oil leakage, ensuring that it will be lifted and lowered during each loading and unloading process. Our painters will strictly sand and paint any rusted parts of the vehicle to ensure a beautiful appearance. Each vehicle we provide can pass strict SGS inspection according to user needs. With over 12 years industry experience and expertise, in order to ensure the customers buy a suitable vehicle, we hereby remind you to pay attention to the above-mentioned points when you encounter a low-priced used vehicle, and especially note: first, whether the vehicle was modified for the accident; second, whether the tires are retreated; third, whether the material box meets your requirements, whether it really does full maintenance; fourth, whether the performance is strictly tested. If it's convenient, you must do a site visit before placing order. Make sure to get a really good product at great price.